there, Liesel here, and welcome back to VA Wonder, the channel where I share Canva tips and tricks to help entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creatives design with confidence. Today, I'm going to show you how to restore blurry photos in Canva. Yes, you can fix pixelated or unclear images with just one click. And the best part, you can do it all directly inside Canva. So let's jump in. Start by opening Canva and then create your required canvas size. I want my final photograph to be an A5. Now, on the left-hand side of the toolbar, go down to Apps, then search Pixel Enhancer. It's this first one here. Click onto that. Then choose the file or the photograph that you would like to enhance. It might be a product photo that looks a little fuzzy or an old image you want to refresh. And here's the magic part. Click on Enhance and let Canva do the rest. With one click, it sharpens and restores your photo clarity. Just a quick note, with this app, you'll get one free credit per day and it refreshes daily. So if you only have a few photos to restore, you can simply come back each day to enhance them. But if you're planning to restore a full photo album or batch of images, you can upgrade to Pixel Enhancer Pro. That gives you up to 150 generations per day, faster results, and the flexibility to cancel anytime. And all of that for only $7 a month. Check your preview, and if you're happy with it, click Add to Design. Resize and crop your image neatly if required. Let's see the transformation side by side. Here's the before and here's the after. The details are sharper and the photo looks cleaned up. Personally, I'm very happy with the result. Now you can drop this enhanced image into any Canva project, a social media post, product mockup, a flyer, or a photo album. It's a simple way to elevate your visuals. And that is how you can restore blurry photos in Canva, all with just one click. And here's a little challenge for you. Head over to the Canva Apps tab and explore other photo restoring or enhancing tools. You will be surprised by how many hidden gems Canva has waiting for you. Drop your favorite in the comment box below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.